Hello to everyone, guys. Today in this example we will be using Visual Studio Code as usual, and as you can see, I'm using for this example, if we go in settings, I show you we are using Odoo's community version 16. So here it is, Odoo 16 community edition. Okay, today I'm going to show you an example of how you can control and customize the behavior of certain fields when duplicating an object in Odoo 16. Specifically, we will look at a code snippet that prevents the duplication of a fields in product templates and also copies the information to the duplicated template. So what I'm talking about, let me just show you. If I click on sales and if I go to products, so if I choose a product, this is a product. So let's suppose if I'm clicking this action button and if I click on duplicate, so this is a duplicate product. So it's basically carrying over mostly all the fields. So as you can see already in other product, we had internal reference, cost and all that things, but it has not carried over barcode. So what I will show you in this example today, that how we can stop being some fields carried over. If we don't want some fields, that if we create duplication and we don't want some fields to be in there, so we can stop that. Or if we want to add extra fields in our duplicated products, how we can do that. So basically this is what I'm going to show you today. In Odoo, when you duplicate an object such as a product template, by default all the fields are copied over to the duplicate. However, there may be cases where you want to prevent certain fields from being carried over or add additional fields during the duplication process. So this is basically will be our exercise today, how we can stop or how we can add the extra information. In this example, we will focus on the copy method of the product.template model, which let me just show you. If I go in Visual Studio Code and here in Odoo add-ons, you need to find product. Let me just go in there. So this is product, and here in product you can go in models and then you need to find product.template, which is here. Let's search it here and I would say define copy. So this is the copy method which we need to override, which we need to inherit. So if you see this is define, if you see API returns self lambda value .id, so we need the same thing and then we will super it. I have already shown in my previous examples how we can super Odoo original method, and then we will add certain things to this method. If you want to study this method, you can just go in details and you can just look into that. So let's start our example first. So let's close this. Let me go in my custom module, which is customization, and in my custom module in models, let's create a new file which I will name it product.py. After that, I need to add it in my init file. I would say from .import and product, so which is here. Let's choose that. Okay, so our file is ready here. So it's the same thing which we are doing since all the examples. So let's copy this from here and I would say product.template. Okay, yeah, product template and product.template. Perfect. Yeah, because we are inheriting product.template. After that, the same thing. Let me just search it again. We go there in add-ons and I go in product again. Sorry, I shouldn't have closed that, but it's alright. Okay, so here let me just copy the whole thing here. Right, so API.returns and self lambda value value dot id, and define copy self default is equal to none. So yeah, so first of all, this line class product template models.model, as in my every exercise, so I explain it to you, but before this line defines a new class which is product template that inherits from the existing Odoo model which is product.template, which is here. The next two lines, this line decorates the copy method with the API.returns decorator, which specifies the return type of the method. And then after that, we are just supering, and how we do that you already know. We will write super here, and then our class, which I copy from here and paste it here, and then self, this is the way to supering the existing original, and then copy, because this is a copy function, and then in that copy function we are putting all the values, right? So basically this line invokes the copy method of the parent class, the original product.template class, and stores the result in the variable res. This creates a duplicate of the current product template, right? Okay, so this is done now, and what we need to do after that, the extra thing, because this is doing the same thing which already that function is doing, copying. So what we are doing, we say that res dot write. So we say you know, the default code underscore code, we say do it false, right? And then we say return res. That's it. Okay, so what we are doing in this snippet next, I'm just saying that default code which is here, if you go in the product, so this is default code, this one internal reference, this is the technical name of this field is default underscore code. I say that it is carrying over at the moment. I don't want that. Sorry, excuse me. So I don't want this ecom 11 when I am going to upgrade, or sorry, going to duplicate my product. So that's it. Let's restart our Odoo service, and before that you need to go in. Okay, we have added this file in our init file. We also need to depend. So if we go in our manifest file, which is in customization and models, and this is our manifest file. So in our depends, we need to depend on product. So if you have not done it, please done it. So because we are going to need that functionality from product module, and you need to add it in your depends. So that's it. Once it's been restarted, you can go in your applications, and you need to upgrade your module, which is a custom module, in this case general customization. So let's upgrade this, and then we see that we don't want to see default code to be carried over when we are going to duplicate our product. So let's completely upgrade this module. Okay, it's been done, no errors, that's good. We go in sales or purchase or wherever we can access products. So this is sale module, sale application, sorry. In products, we click on products, and this is a product. So in this product, there is no internal reference, which is default code. So let's save something here. So that's it. There is some figure here now, and now this product has already got default code. So I'm just going to duplicate this now. So that's it. This product has been duplicated now, and you cannot see that field here. So that's it. And at the moment, let me just see, is there any difference? This product, and if I say that, let me duplicate this product. So at the moment, this product has barcode. Let me just duplicate this. So when I'm duplicating, so there is no internal reference because we have already stopped that, and there is also no barcode. Why? Because barcode is unique. So if it will assign the same barcode here, that will return an error. So just for the example, for the sake of example, we want to add some barcode here just for the example. So what I will say here, if I go, let's, oh, there are two products. Okay, so I go in my file and I say here, please, because this is dictionary, and we say here the second field, and which is barcode, and in this field I want default code, just for the example, just for the sake of for example. Okay, I think the error is coming because we have not added it here, self. So self dot. So we say that barcode value, we don't want it empty. Also put the default code in barcode field. So let's restart our Odoo service. And let's upgrade our module as well. So this is really cool way because you can get some scenarios where you want to prevent some fields to be carried over. So in that case, you can just follow this example and you can do, and also you can add information as well. So both way I'm trying to explain it to you. So if we go in sales and again click on products, so here choose any product here. So this is a product, already internal reference is here. So in this there is no barcode. So let's choose a product which has a barcode, or just save a barcode here. Okay, this barcode is here. So what will happen, that when I will duplicate the product in the internal reference, there should not be anything, that will be null, and in barcode that will contain font underscore 1118, which is internal reference. So let's duplicate. So as you can see, there is nothing in internal reference because we have stopped it with our code snippet, and here in barcode we have added internal reference, which is default code. So I hope you just liked this video. I have just walked you through the code step by step, explaining each part and its purpose, and I believe by the end of this demonstration you will understand how to stop the duplication of a specific field such as the barcode field or internal reference, default code, sorry, in this case, and how to add extra information or extra field value of barcode, how to copy additional information. So yeah, that's it. I hope you just like this video. If you will like it, please like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends. I really need your support, and come up with some ideas. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks.